Hello friends, this is seventh lecture of steam and gas power plant from the power plant engineering for third year. Okay, we have seen different boilers, high pressure boilers. Then we see how to generate steam, then different maintenance procedure, different controlling parameters, and here is and the different component of this boiler. So here is another one, air preheater. Like the economizer, this air filter is there, air preheater. Since the flue gases is brushed in the pipe longitudinal wall, so the heat transfer is poor. In order to enhance heat transfer and prevent dust, use a suitable high flue gas flow rate. The air is in the tube for lateral erosion. Heat transfer is better, but the flow resistance is large. So should adapt the bottom of the air flow rate to enhance the overall heat transfer effect. The air and flue gas flow rate and the ratio of between the two should be kept in the appropriate range. In order to eliminate the air preheater air leakage in the boiler, after the shutdown of a serious air leakage test, the air preheater leaks detection and timely elimination of leakage points. Maintenance of the air preheater where the expansion point to check so that the air preheater is the run without expansion blocked, resulting in leakage of steel pipe leakage phenomena. Then blower or a fan into the air preheater before the installation of the air duct system as far as possible to improve the air preheater inlet temperature above 20 degrees Celsius. Air preheater inlet flue gas temperature shall not be lower than 350 degrees Celsius. The data in the boiler load changes can be adjusted according to the corresponding level of smoke. To strengthen the inspection, found that the fan air duct vibration, timely operation adjustment, reasonable to avoid blower a fan surge point. Blower boiler blower has been used to adjust liquid even the fan inlet and outlet baffle fully open with the fan speed to adjust the boiler air volume. Air duct surge phenomenon has been avoided. To avoiding fouling long stay in the flue, strengthen the tail flue part of the suit work. Normal operation of the boiler to ensure a proper high furnace negative pressure to improve the tail fouling. To reduce the amount of sulfur dioxide production, a reasonable downside excess air coefficient, and as long as there is excessive oxygen in the flue gas, sulfur, the dioxide can be continued to be converted into the sulfur dioxide. Oxygen and the amount of sulfur dioxide in the amount of sulfur increase, the flue gas dew point temperature can be raised to 130 to 150 degrees Celsius. In short, the air preheater is the bottom component of the boiler unit. In the metal temperature of the bottom of the heating surface, but also the boiler along the flue gas process of the last heating surface. The air preheater is an important part of modern boiler. Next one is steam turbine maintenance parameters. Let's see that. A steam turbine is mechanical device that extract thermal energy from pulverized steam and convert it into rotary motion. Deposits cause output and efficiency to drop by reducing the efficiency of energy transfer and eventually restricting steam flow. Performance analysis can be applied to most machines, rotating and stationary. It is the one condition monitoring technique which allows the optimum time for restorative maintenance to be calculated, where the deterioration result is increased fuel consumption or in reduced output or both. Steam turbine inlet and exhaust pressure and temperature, speed and load, steam turbine rotor and shell differential expansion, water and steam purity at the main steam inlet and the condensate pump discharge, extraction line and thermocouple to detect water inlet, lube oil and hydraulic fluid supply pressure and temperature, cooling water supplying pressure and temperature for lube oil and hydraulic fluid system, journal bearing and thrust bearing metal temperature for turbine and gearbox. The following are the problem found, so check it and repair it or even replace it. Bleeding, erosion by solid particle, also erosion by water droplet on later LP blades, parts breaking off, bearing scoring damage to white metal, rubbing rotors, rubbing temporary unbalance, cracking, misalignment, then wall spindle, shaft and inner stage glands, casing joints, LP manhole, gasket, internal steam. And fittings. Leakage due to water distortion, breakage effect of seal water is relatively greater for HP blade. For impulse machines, the relative lost output for each 25 meter increases above design clearance about 600 meter. Steam wall strainer, wall spindle, likely likely to occur gradually, most in areas around 260 degrees Celsius. Some on load blade washing occur with forced steam cooling. Performance analysis detect blade surface roughness has biggest effect at higher steam pressure. And condenser, air in leakage tube fouling, feed water heaters, air in leakage tube fouling by scale or oil. Gas turbine power plant. Okay, this was uh, the parameter to be thought of while maintaining the steam turbine. Let's see gas turbine power plant. What are the gas turbine power plant? Gas turbine are increasingly being used in power plant both in the utility and power sector for their compactness, tremendous energy producing capacity, and inherent flexibility, operational reliability, high performance, and multiple fuel capacity. Today, gas turbines have found wide acceptance in a variety of applications, ranging from petrochemical industry to the sophisticated aircraft industry. The gas turbine has low weight to power ratio and hence The gas turbine has low weight to power ratio. Hence, gas turbine are extensively used to drive aviation system of all kind in aircraft system. Okay, then it is also being increasingly used in land vehicles such as bus and trucks, and also to drive locomotive and marine ship. In oil and gas industries, the gas turbine is widely employed to drive an auxiliary compressor, blower and pumps. The gas turbine obtains its power by utilization of energy of a jet of burned gases and air. The velocity of the jet being absorbed and it flows over several rings of moving blades which are fixed to the common shaft. The gas turbine require an air compressor which usually driven off its own shaft. This absorbs a considerable proportion of the power produced and thus lower the overall efficiency. Fuel used to work gas turbine: coal gas, producer gas, blast furnace gas, oil and pulverized coal, kerosene, paraffin, and diesel. All these things are used for production of uh, electricity in the uh, gas turbine power plant. Okay, don't get confused with gas turbine and steam turbine. Gas turbine uses the uh, following material. Okay, and but its operating medium is different for gas turbine, so it is quite different than uh, gas turbine. Okay, sorry, this steam turbine. Continuous combustion or constant pressure type classification. Let's see classification. The explosion or constant volume type, open cycle and closed cycle. This is we are going to see in brief. Then according to thermodynamic working cycle, first one is Breton and Joule, second Atkinson and Ericsson cycle. Now let's see constant pressure open cycle gas turbine. First one, constant pressure open cycle gas turbine. The compressor takes an ambient air and compresses it to raise its pressure and temperature and deliver to the combustion chamber where fuel is atomized through an injector and burnt. This combustion occurs nearly at constant pressure. Due to combustion, heat is added to the working fluid and its temperature is raised. This product of combustion from the combustion chamber are passed through the turbine where expand and pressure falls to atmospheric pressure and develop mechanical energy. The part of the power developed by the turbine must be utilized to drive engine accessories as well as compressor, as turbine and compressor are mechanically coupled. So the net work is equal to the difference between the work done by the turbine and the work required to drive the compressor. Here is the figure. You can see this whole assembly is compressor. Starter is provided at this location. This is compressor compressing the air. Then at this point, fuel is mixed. Okay, see properly each one of the part. Starting system. This is the air compressor which compresses the air. This compress is also coupled with turbine. That means the power generated by the turbine is given to the compressor which uses it to compress the air, and then this compressed air is supplied to the combustion chamber where the air and fuel mixture is done and combusted. Some second air is also added there, and propulsion tower coupling. That means you can see there the turbine, okay, in which it rotates and generate the electricity. Okay, so this is the open cycle. Okay, because it is coming from atmosphere, utilizing heat is added to it, then expanded and leave to the atmosphere. Okay, you seen that it is the gas, exhausted gas is not utilizing too many times. Okay, it is just exhausted to the atmosphere where it is taken from. Okay, now let's see another type, that is closed cycle gas turbine. Closed cycle gas turbine. The idea of closed cycle gas turbine plant was originated and developed in Switzerland in the year 1935. See that properly, whole figure. You will not see any air which is taken from atmosphere. Just the heat is transferred. Okay, it is cooled down and it is again cooled here and again compressed. Again heat is added. Heat is added. Okay, then again it is fed to the turbine in this way. That's why, as the working medium does not crosses the boundary, working medium do not cross the boundary, that means it is not exhausted to the atmosphere. That's that's why this is called as the closed cycle gas turbine. Okay, because the working medium is not taken from atmosphere and not added to the atmosphere. Okay, there are two devices, heat rejection device is here. Heat is taken from these hot gases and here heat is added to the this compressed gas which expand on the turbine, then exhausted, which is again cooled down, its volume decreases, is again compressed, and again to the compressed gas the heat is added, which leads to increase in temperature and pressure, then which is expanded on the turbine. Okay, here is the simplified uh, or line diagram we can see of the closed cycle gas turbine. See that properly, gas, you can see this cycle, medium do not crosses the boundary, it just flow into the system. Okay, that's why it is called as uh, closed system, uh, closed cycle gas turbine. Okay, heat source is given here and sink is here. Source adds the temperature to the gases and the sink takes the temperature of the hot gases. Okay, in this way the figure is. Let's see the working. In closed cycle gas turbine, fuel is not brought in direct contact with the compressed gas, but the working gas coming out of compressor is directly heated at constant pressure in heat exchanger by an internal heat source. Then the external heat source may be gas cooled nuclear reactor or flue gas resulting from the combustion chamber of furnace. First gas is compressed in compressor, which increases the temperature and pressure. This compressed gas is passed through the heat exchanger, where heat is added at constant pressure, and the compressed gas leaving the heat exchanger is passed through the gas turbine. The expansion of gas takes place and reduces pressure and temperature. Then exhaust gas is passed through the pre-cooler before it enters the compressor to a repeat cycle of the operation. Due to the expansion of the gases in turbine, mechanical work is obtained at the turbine shaft. The net power output in is the difference of turbine work and compressor, because of the turbine and the compressor are mechanically coupled To start the system operation, compressor is provided with the starter, and after starting the turbine, starter is cut off and the working gas may be air, helium, argon, carbon dioxide and so on, or other many gas. The gases other than air having more desirable property can be used to improve the performance. Property can be used to improve the performance. Performance of gas turbine depends on the ratio of specific heat of working gas, which is turns depend on the nature of the gas. The thermal efficiency of the gas turbine power plant increases as pressure ratio increases. Higher pressure ratio is possible in closed cycle gas turbine plant for same maximum and minimum temperature limits. Okay, this is the closed cycle gas turbine. We'll stop here. In next lecture we'll see advantages and disadvantages of the uh, closed cycle turbine and component of gas power plant. Okay, thank you.